In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in ClickUp. We'll start on the ClickUp home area. Head to the left sidebar and open home so you're in a neutral space to create your plan. From here, click the plus sign and choose Use Template. Templates are the fastest way to set up a structured project without reinventing the wheel. In the template library, use the search bar and type Project Plan. You'll see several options appear. Before you pick one, make sure both folder and list are checked. This ensures the template creates a complete structure, a folder to contain your work and lists to organize tasks within it. Now choose the project plan template that best fits your workflow. Click into the template to preview what's included, then select Use Template. You'll be prompted to configure a few details that tailor the setup to your workspace. First, enter a clear descriptive folder name. Use something your team will instantly recognize, like the project name and a date or phase. Next, choose where this folder should be created. Select the relevant space or location in your ClickUp hierarchy so permissions and context are already correct. You'll see import options. These control which parts of the template are copied over, such as tasks, subtasks, custom fields, and views. If you're new to this template, it's usually best to include everything, then remove what you don't need later. Set your start and due dates to align the template's timeline with your actual project schedule. If you're rolling forward a previous template, update these dates so dependencies and durations make sense. Decide whether to include archived tasks. If you want a clean slate, leave them out. If you're referencing historical items for context, include them. Click Use Template to finalize. You'll see the activities indicator while the folder builds. This can take a moment depending on size. Once loaded, you'll see your task workflow. The template typically includes statuses like To Do, In Progress, In Review, Pending, and Complete. Use To Do for items not started yet. Move tasks to In Progress when work begins, and shift to In Review for approvals or quality checks. Pending is perfect for blocked or waiting on someone tasks, and Complete marks the finish line. Drag tasks between these statuses as work moves forward to keep the plan up to date. For different perspectives, open the tasks. By stage view to see work organized by project phase, then switch to tasks. By status for a clean snapshot of progress across the board. That's it. Your ClickUp project plan is ready to go. Keep names consistent, set realistic dates, and review statuses daily to keep your team aligned.